Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a signed-in Google account and Gemini access. Next, choose the image's purpose and target size, 1024 x 1024 or 16:9, for consistent output. Once done, collect reference images and list style cues like photorealistic or painterly. These guide Gemini. Now open Gemini, select the image generation mode, and paste your prompt draft. This immediate action moves you from setup into creation. Make sure your prompt includes subject, mood, and 2 or 3 descriptive adjectives. You now focus on how to write and refine the prompt. Start with a precise subject and context, then append composition and style. Avoid vague adjectives alone. Include technical constraints such as exact resolution, color palette, or lighting direction to steer the model. Once you run the first generation, compare outputs to references and tweak. Add or remove modifiers, swap adjectives, or tighten composition notes. Make sure to iterate 3 to 5 times, because small prompt shifts produce large visual changes and improve fidelity. You finish by choosing the strongest result, then upscale or request one more variation to refine details. Once satisfied, export as PNG or JPG and verify color and metadata for consistency with your use. If something goes wrong, blurry faces, wrong lighting, or composition, first refine the prompt with concrete corrections, increase resolution values, or upload clearer reference images. If issues persist, try changing style keywords or restarting the generation session. These steps usually resolve common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.